Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect a cable box to TCL Roku TV via Coax setup and scan. Step 1. Make the hardware connection. First of all, you have to power off both the TCL Roku TV and the cable box. Look at the coaxial RF input on the back or side of the TCL Roku TV, usually a threaded metal cylinder. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to a coaxial RF input and screw it in a figured tight. Connect the other end of the coaxial cable to the TV or RF out port on the cable box. You just have to turn on the TCL Roku TV and the cable box. Step 2. Configure the TV input. You just have to press the home button on the TCL Roku remote to access the main menu. Then navigate to and select the Live TV or Antenna TV title. Then promoted, select Start finding the channel to set up the TV tuner. When asked about channel 3 and channel 4, select number channel 3 and 4 are not needed unless connecting on older VCR. Wait for few minutes for the TV to scan for available channel. Thanks for watching.